a photo.
What is this?
It's a pen.
What is this?
It's a pencil.
What is this?
It's a notebook.
What is this?
It's a wallet.
What is this?
It's a newspaper.
What is this?
It's a comb.
What is this?
It's a magazine.
What is this?
It's a lipstick.
What is this?
It's an address book.
What is this?
It's an ID card.
What is this?
It's a dictionary.
What is this?
It's a hairbrush.
What is this?
It's a credit card.
What is this?
It's a calendar.
What is this?
It's a chance purse.
What is that?
It's a chance purse.
What is that?
It's a calendar.
What is that?
It's a credit card.
What is that?
It's a hairbrush.
What is that?
It's a dictionary.
What is that?
It's an ID card.
What is that?
It's an address book.
What is that?
It's a lipstick.
What is that?
It's a magazine.
What is
It's
that?
a can.
What is that?
It's a newspaper.
What is that?
It's a wallet.
What is that?
It's a notebook.
What is
It's
that?
a pencil.
What is that?
It's a lift.
What is
It's
that?
a cell phone.
What is
It's
that?
a pen.
What is
It's
that?
a photo.
What is
It's
that?
an umbrella.
What
It's
is
a
that?
watch. It's a
What is
book.
that? What are these?
These are diffuse.
What are these?
These are stamps.
What are these?
These are matches.
What are these?
These are keys.
What are these?
These are coins.
What are these?
These are glasses.
What are these?
These are sunglasses.
What are those?
Those are sunglasses.
What are those?
Those are stamps.
What are those?
Those are glasses.
What are those?
Those are matches.
What are those?
Those are coins.
What are those?
Those are keys.
What are those?
Those are diffuse. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a wallet. What's this? It's a file. What's this? It's a newspaper. What's this? It's a can. What's this? It's a magazine. What's this? It's a lipstick. What's this? It's a address book. What's this? It's a credit card. What's this? It's a dictionary. What's this? It's a cell phone. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a photo. What's this? It's an umbrella. What's this? It's a hairbook. What's this? It's a card. What's this? It's a calendar. What's this? It's a chessboard. What's this? It's a watch. What's this? It's a book. What that is? What that is a watch? What that is a chairboard? What that is a calendar? What that is a card? What that is a hairbrush? What that is an umbrella? What that is a photo? What that is a pen? What that is a cell phone? What that is a dictionary? What that is a credit card? What that is a address book? What that is a lipstick? What that is a magazine? What that is a hair? Yeah, comb. What that is a newspaper? What that is a file? What that is a wallet? It's a wallet. What that is a notebook. What that is a pencil. What are these? These are diffuse. What are these? These are matches. What are these? These are glasses. What are these? These are sunglasses. What are these? These are coins. What are these? These are keys. What are these? These are stamps. What are those? Those are stamps.
a magazine.
What this?
It's a lipstick.
What this?
It's a notebook.
What this?
It's an ID card.
What this?
It's a dictionary.
What this?
It's a cell phone.
What this?
It's a pen.
What this?
It's a fork.
What this?
It's an umbrella.
What this?
It's a hairbrush.
What this?
It's a credit card.
What this?
It's a calendar.
What this?
It's a chain purse.
What this?
It's a watch.
What this?
It's a book.
What that?
It's a book.
What that?
It's a watch.
What that?
It's a chain purse.
What that?
It's a calendar.
What that?
It's a credit card.
What that?
It's a hairbrush.
What that?
It's an umbrella.
What that?
It's a fork.
What that?
It's a pen.
What that?
It's a cell phone.
What that?
It's a dictionary.
What that?
It's an ID card.
What that?
It's a notebook.
What that?
It's a lipstick.
What that?
It's a magazine.
What that?
It's a gun.
What that?
It's a newspaper.
What that?
It's a file.
What that?
It's a wallet.
What that?
It's a notebook.
What that?
It's a pencil.
What are these?
These are tissues.
What are these?
These are matches.
What are these?
These are glasses.
What are these?
These are sunglasses.
What are these?
These are coins.
What are these?
These are keys.
What are these?
These are stamps.
What are those?
Those are stamps.
What are those?
Those are keys.
What are those?
Those are coins.
What are those?
Those are sunglasses.
What are those?
Those are glasses.
What are those?
Those are matches.
What are those?
Those are tissues. What is?
It's a photo.
What is?
It's a dictionary.
What is?
It's a change purse.
What
It's a calendar.
What is?
It's an umbrella.
What is?
It's a hairbrush.
What is?
It's a newspaper.
What is?
It's a card.
What is?
It's a book.
What is?
It's an ID